Life becomes more sensible and meaningful when you can add more value to yourself. To achieve this state, you need to be financially prepared. Could investing in SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure help you across all the financial barriers of life? This detailed analysis will figure out whether SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure help you to be financially prepared for your future goals. The critical insights from this research will help to make an informed investment decision. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure is a non-participating individual unit-linked life insurance product. The main features are a single pay premium option and you get the benefits throughout the policy term, liquidity through partial withdrawals after 5th policy anniversary, option to customize the product with an accident death benefit option, and it provides market linked return, and there is a choice of 7 funds. Next, we shall look into the benefits of SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure. Maturity benefit: the fund value will be paid in lump sum. Death benefit: the higher of the following will be paid as death benefit: fund value or basic sum assured less applicable partial withdrawals. Next, let us analyze the funds available under SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure. There are 7 funds and you can invest in one or any combination in multiple of 1%. The asset allocation differs under each fund. The risk profile is based on the asset allocation. You should pick funds that suits your risk profile. Now we shall look at the charges under SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure. Premium allocation charge 3% of single premium. Policy administration charge rupees 45 per month shall be deducted for the first 5 years. Fund management charge, it depends upon the fund chosen. It ranges from 1.15% to 1.35%. Discontinuance charge, it is calculated as a percentage of a single premium or fund value. It varies according to the year of discontinuance. Mortality charges, this is charged based on your age and sum at risk. Accidental death benefit charge, these charges are recovered every month. Switching charge, 2 free switches in a policy year and above that rupees 100 per switch. Partial withdrawal charge, 1 free partial withdrawal in a policy year and above that rupees 50 per withdrawal. Inference from these charges, your premium is not directly invested in the chosen fund. After the deduction of all these charges, the premium is diverted into investment. In other market linked products, there won't be charges under different heads. In the long run, these charges gradually pull down the overall returns. Now let us analyze the advantages and disadvantages of SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure. Advantages: added protection by choosing the accidental death benefit option. If a settlement option is chosen, then the death benefit is paid in installment. 2 free switches and 1 partial withdrawal are allowed in a policy year. Next, disadvantages: the lock-in period is 5 years. Loan facility is not available. Any investment needs to be assessed in terms of returns before investing. The potential returns of SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure are estimated in the following segment. This will give you better clarity about the plan. The potential returns of SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure can be compared with other investment returns. A 35-year-old male buys SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure for a sum assured of rupees 12 lakhs. The policy term is 20 years. The single premium is rupees 10 lakhs. At the end of the policy term, the fund value is receivable. Fund value figures are for illustrative purposes. Please note that the assumed rate of returns at 4% and at 8% per annum are only illustrative scenarios. These are not upper or lower bounds on returns, nor are they guaranteed. The fund value under the 4% scenario is 15.26 lakhs and the IRR at the 4% scenario is 2.14%. The fund value under the 8% scenario is 32.55 lakhs and the IRR at the 8% scenario is 6.08%. As an investor, you should look for an investment return that can comfortably beat inflation. Here, the IRR seems to be lower than the inflation. In the long run, it is evident that you cannot achieve your milestones by investing in SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure. A comparison with other investments gives you a better insight, right? Let us take the same illustration for comparison. A life cover and a market-related investment option with a one-time lump sum payment or the criteria for alternate investments. A pure term life insurance policy and an ELSS fund will be the perfect choice. Let us understand how this combination works. A pure term policy for a sum assured of rupees 12,50,000 would cost 76,200. This is a single premium. The policy term is 20 years. You can invest the balance amount 9,23,800 in an ELSS fund. At the end of 20 years, while exiting the fund, capital gains tax is payable. Let us set aside the tax payable from the proceeds. Tax calculation is given here. The fund value at the end of 20 years is 89.11 lakhs. The post-tax value is 81.22 lakhs. The IRR for this combo is 11.04%. This is a post-tax return. IRR of this alternate investment option is greater than the inflation rate, and you have better access to liquidity in this alternate investment option. In addition to that, you can take the required life cover to protect your family from uncertainties. The return and life cover are inadequate in SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure. We have reached the end part of our analysis. Here is our final verdict on SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure. It is a hassle-free investment vehicle with only a lump sum option available. This type of lump sum investment is always a preferable choice for those who have a hefty surplus. This plan provides you an opportunity to invest in the market as well. While analyzing SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure, we couldn't find any advantage for an investor in the long run. The various charges will pull down the overall returns. It neither offers adequate life cover. This is a long-term investment product, but the returns under this plan are a serious stumbling block to an investor. Make sure that you have an adequate life cover for yourself. Then you can build your investment portfolio either with your lump sum surplus or monthly savings. Please take the advice of a finance professional before investing your hard-earned money. A detailed review of SBI Life Smart Wealth Assure is available as a blog post in our website. The link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.